We are here at the 2024 Accenture SAP Leadership Council, and we brought a full Gen AI studio for SAP in front of our clients with a full suite of generative AI solutions combined with SAP. So Catherine, would you walk us through the content that it's available?
Yes, so we have first GenWizard for SAP, which is how we are using Gen AI to help speed up the way we deliver SAP projects. Then, on the way we are applying Gen AI to change the way business processes are delivered, we have the Supply Chain Nerve Center, where we are showing you how generative AI can change the way you react to risk by helping you in the analysis, the mitigation plan creation, and then the activation of that mitigation plan. And on the finance side, we have the Generative AI Financial Advisor that we have built and is now live on the SAP Gen AI Hub that is helping our accountants speed up their activities during closing and throughout the month-end activities. And Richard, what do we have on SAP side?
Yeah, certainly. Let me talk about it quickly. I mean, I would focus on three things. One is we're embedding generative AI use cases across all of our business applications. We already have more than 50 cases shipped to production over the last 3 quarters. We're planning to double that number up to more than 100 use cases until end of the year. Second, we're focusing on Joule, our generative AI enterprise co-pilot that we're integrating into, again, our cloud applications that transforms your user experience and how you interact with your SAP applications. We shipped it in SuccessFactors already, S/4HANA Public Cloud Edition in early adopter care, SAP Start and SAP Build Code, and we're now expanding this and bringing it again into all of our applications. Now, third, we are focusing on building more and more use cases also together with our ecosystem and our partners on BTP, our business technology platform with our Generative AI Hub. We're super proud that we already have all of the major large language models included in Gen AI Hub. So we have the models from all large hyperscalers as well as open source models. And we are continuously shipping new functionality so that partners and customers can build great custom AI scenarios on top of BTP and expand the scope of what we're shipping with our standard solutions. So yeah, super excited about to see what what the partner system ecosystem is now coming up with.
It's outstanding, and all this content will be available after the event to bring in front of your clients. Thank you.